Well, I'm with Andrey in a rhubarb field here at Wilkins up in Tiptree, which of course are one of the fruit growers that produce jam in Essex. Now, last time I talked about rhubarb, we were talking to them in Yorkshire, where they force rhubarb under canvas and pick it by candlelight. Sounds romantic, but it looks a terrible job to me. This is a lot easier, isn't it, Andrey, than doing it under candlelight? This is rhubarb grown outside, which you've done for years, haven't you?
We have been growing rhubarb for about 25 years now, and it's doing really well. It's out on the field. We don't have any forced rhubarb. It's grown naturally. Used to plant that in the soil with bare soil, I would say. It's still in the soil, but bare soil. But over the years, from the strawberry experience with growing on ridges or strawberry bed, we call it, we said, why can't we plant the rhubarb like that? And save us a lot of weeding care, and also at the time we were putting drip irrigation through the middle of the bed. So in a dry summer or dry spring, you can actually do a little bit of watering too to help the rhubarb. So that's why it's looking so.
It's looking really good.
Really good, yeah.
And okay, we're in April now. Rhubarb season starts soon. Does the rhubarb go as a fresh vegetable? Well, it's a vegetable, not a fruit, actually, isn't it? But does it go as a fruit, or does it go to jam? Most of your rhubarb.
Everything what we grow, we do very little rhubarb for fresh, and goes with the local farm shops. But most of it, I would say 95%
goes to jam.
Goes to jam, really.
And it's funny because rhubarb jam doesn't seem that sort of popular, but it is, isn't it?
We have two products, rhubarb and vanilla, and rhubarb and ginger jam. So those are the two products, and they're actually popular, quite popular. So
because in fact, when you grow when you cook rhubarb, actually ginger with rhubarb in a crumble or something actually really gives it a bit of oomph, doesn't it?
Yeah, a bit of a kick.
Now, I mean, what varieties do you grow here? Is it all the same variety?
We grow, all the same one variety, Timperley Early it's called, and it seems to be the variety which we, the factory like, because it's a little bit on the softer side, and it's nice tender to eat as well, and color too. So I can pull one, and you can see how nice.
That's a good color, isn't it? There,
good coloration it is there,
and therefore the color comes through into the jam, I suppose.
Yes, that's true as well. Yes,
that's really important, isn't it?
Yeah.
So really, this is one of your easier crops?
I would say yes, easier, much easier. Comparing to strawberries, raspberries, what we grow for fresh fruit market. So rhubarb, it doesn't need much really. You just plant the root ball, and don't pick anything on the first year if you want to establish the crop nicely. And after that, you can harvest it for 3, 4, 5, 6 years.
And is that when you change it? Do you
and
move
at that
it?
stage, we just uproot it and split the crowns again. Or if you want to continue to grow it, every now and again, you have to go with a spade and just split the crown and basically start the actual crown start to regenerate and regenerate, and you get again few years back of it.
And in fact, you can grow it at home because Timperley Early is still one that's available for people to grow at home, isn't it?
Yeah, you can grow it at home, and it's very easy to grow it too.
Yep, so we grow it on mounds, just a way of avoiding the weeds, and it's an easy crop to grow at home. So they are rhubarb, and rhubarb.
Rhubarb, yeah, very easy. So just do it.